how's it going? I'm down at Coslow Beach today. I've been thinking lately about how I shoot street photography and what I do and how I do it. So I thought I'd make a video on 5 street photography tips to help you guys out. So tip number 1 is observe more. Take the time to look at your scene and watch how people move throughout the scene and interact with each other in the scene. Looking at the scene will help you get in the right spot for the photos that you want to make. Also, take note of where the light's falling because that'll help you make better photos as well. Tip number 2 is think about the photos that you want to make. How many times have you been, I don't know, thinking about buying a new car, and then when you go for a drive or you're out on the street, all you see is that car. You see things more when you think about them, so think about the photos you want to make and you'll find what you want to shoot. Alright, tip number 3, if you can hear me over the waves, is choose one focal length and stick to that for a while. Sticking to one focal length will help you learn your lens. You'll know how far from your subject you need to be to get the shots that you want. If you only have a zoom lens, set it to one focal length, tape it there if you have to, and just shoot at that one focal length all the time. You'll get used to it and you'll know if you like that focal length or not. If you shoot that way for a couple of months and you go, I don't like these photos, change it out to a different focal length. If you've already got a zoom, just set it to a focal length, try that. You could even just try it for a day, then go out the next day, try a different focal length if you've got a zoom or a couple of primes, but you'll find the one that you like and you can stick with that one. Alright, moving on from that last one, pick a focal length that suits your shooting style. A lot of people get hung up on the shooting wide and getting close thing. If that's not your thing, don't do it. A lot of greats use 50mm lenses. I've seen a lot of other great photographers use 85mm lenses. So if you like to get in close, use a 28 or a 35. If you want to hang back a bit more of a classic look, use a 50. If you want to stay out of the scene more and away from the people, use 85, but using a lens that suits your style and makes you comfortable will make it easier for you to get out there on the street and take photos. Let me know in the comments if you think it's okay to use long lenses on the street. If you don't think so, let me know why as well. Alright, last tip number 5 is shooting all weather. It's sunny here today, but it's a bit cold. One of my favourite times to shoot is in the rain because you get pictures that you wouldn't get otherwise. So shoot in all weather, protect your camera if it's not weather sealed, but just get out there and shoot. People do funny things when it's raining especially. If you live in the snow, I think that'd be great, street photography in the snow. I haven't seen much of it. I'm off to practice what I preach now, so subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.